Hello, in this video I want to show you how to download and install RAR and zip file packing and unpacking app on your Huawei Nova Y70. So in order to do this, let's open up gallery like this. Now in the store we can start search for an app and enter RAR. Select this app, install it. After installation process is complete, we should be able to open it. Allow access to browse all files on this device, and the app is ready. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.